Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Wolek Group at Keller Williams. We're out here at this amazing home off of 26th Street in Tulsa. Let's take a walking tour. So as you'll see, it's a single story home, really beautiful with brick and a super cute front porch. Let's head on inside and check out the inside amenities. So as we go in, the first thing you're going to notice is this beautiful wood flooring. So beautiful. And this home has a really great floor plan. So as we come in here to the left, we have a big, awesome dining room. That same flooring carried throughout the home. Lots of natural light. And then we can go to the kitchen, or we can come to the living room, or we have a hallway for the guest bedrooms. So let's take a peek at the living room. Again, that same beautiful flooring. Vaulted ceilings with a wood beam, a really pretty fireplace with built-ins. So cute. And let's go check out the kitchen. So we've got a great nook space here, which is nice and big. And then as we turn the corner, we've got this awesome kitchen setup with newer appliances. Lots of cabinet space. And then we have the laundry room over there to the left. And then look at this amazing sunroom extra bonus space. This is a really beautiful room with tons of natural light and also access to your backyard. And there's also access to the garage, which is awesome. So now let's go check out the master bedroom and the guest bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms total and 2 full baths. And so this hallway services the master and also one of the guest bedrooms. And so let's go in here in the master. We've got a great big bedroom. Crown molding. They've got double closets, which is awesome. And then we've got this beautiful updated bathroom with a really pretty tiled in shower. Beautiful. And then we've got one of those guest bedrooms, and this floor plan is so cool because there's actually 2 doors. You can access it from here, or you can access it from the other large hallway that we saw off the front of the home. So we've got a great big guest bedroom. And then as we come back into this hallway, we've got lots of storage. Here's that nice big hallway, 2 closets for storage and a full bath around the corner. And then here is the last guest bedroom. Another huge space. And then we've got the guest bathroom. Again, updated. So cute. Tiled in tub, cute window, and lots of great little built-in storage. So cute. So this home is listed for $130,000. There's 3 beds, 2 full baths, and a fabulous backyard as well as a 2-car garage. So for more info, contact the Wolek Group.